Have you ever felt stuck, like no matter how hard you try, you just can't get it right? This is the story of Maya, a young girl who thought she was a failure, until one small act of kindness transformed her life forever. Because sometimes, small action makes big difference. Maya sat in her classroom, gripping her notebook tightly. The teacher asked a science question, something Maya knew well. She wanted to answer. She even opened her mouth, but no words came out. Another student shouted the answer, and the class moved on. Maya's cheeks burned. Why can't I speak like everyone else? The science exhibition made it worse. Maya had built a model of a windmill. She dreamed of explaining how it produced electricity. But when the judges stopped and asked her to present, her throat tightened. Her voice cracked. The judges walked away, disappointed. Maya left her project on the table, ran outside, and sat at the edge of the field. She whispered, "I can't do anything right." Tears rolled down her face. Just then, she heard a sound. A faint squeak. A rustle in the grass. She hesitated, then moved closer. Behind a bush was a tiny sparrow, its wing bent, struggling to move. At first she thought, "I'll make things worse if I touch it." But another thought followed, "If I leave it here, it will die." Her hands trembled, but she picked up the sparrow gently. That one act of kindness would change her life. At home, Maya placed the bird in a shoebox with cotton. She gave it water in a bottle cap. She fed it crumbs. Every evening, Maya sat by the box and spoke to the bird. At first, her voice was quiet, shaky. "Don't give up. You'll fly again." Day by day, she began saying more. She explained her homework aloud. She pretended to give a speech, while the bird tilted its head and listened. The more she spoke to it, the less her fear controlled her. The bird became her silent audience. And little by little, Maya's confidence returned. One evening, the sparrow refused to eat. It lay still, eyes closed. Maya panicked. "I failed again. Just like in class. Just like the exhibition." Tears filled her eyes. But then she remembered the words she had repeated every day. "Don't give up." She tried again. She dipped a crumb in water and touched it to the bird's beak. After a long pause, the sparrow pecked. Maya smiled. For the first time, she understood. Small action, big difference. It wasn't about perfection. It was about trying again and again. Weeks later, the sparrow stretched its wings. Maya opened the window, heart racing. The bird hesitated, then soared into the sky. Maya's eyes filled with tears, not of sadness, but of pride. She hadn't just healed a bird. She had healed her voice. The next day, when the teacher asked a question, Maya raised her hand. Her heart pounded, her voice shook, but she spoke. The class listened. And from that day, she never stopped trying. Lessons from the story. Do small acts every day and transform your life forever. Change begins in tiny steps. Even feeding a bird or speaking one line out loud can rebuild confidence. Healing works both ways. Maya helped the sparrow fly, and the sparrow helped Maya find her voice. So remember, don't wait for the big moment. Start with one small act today, because one day you'll look back and see that those small acts changed your life forever. Remember, life is the journey, wisdom is the guide. This is Drive by Wisdom. See you in the next story. And do not forget to like the video, share and subscribe.